All right, so we've covered the scene size up. Now we're ready to take action. Grab your Pro Kit out of your vehicle, which every vehicle should have the Pro Kit. Why? Because it's got everything to cover bumps and bruises, all the way to life-threatening traumatic injuries. Everything you need to treat that is in our Pro Kits. So now we're heading towards the vehicle. I'm gonna take my gloves out of the Pro Kit, put them on, because I'm getting ready to go to work. Something to keep in mind when you come up across the side of the car, right? You wanna minimize head movement because neck and spine injuries are very common in vehicle accidents. So I recommend kind of, before you communicate with that patient, kind of be as close to forward facing them as you can. Because think about it, if you come across the side of the car and you're like, hey dude, you good? And they turn their head, with a spinal injury, that could actually be catastrophic. So you want to minimize that movement. So communicate with your patient. You can talk to them, right? That'll tell you a lot of things right out of the chute. If they're talking to you, they have a good airway. If they're talking to you, you can assess their level of consciousness. They can tell you what's wrong. It hurts here, it doesn't hurt, whatever. You can learn a lot by that. Other things that might not be as obvious, or if they can't tell you, are fractures. Again, spinal injuries are big. Any other fracture you might not be able to see. Other things might be more obvious. Is there pooling blood, blood-soaked clothes, obvious injuries to whatever limb or neck or anything like that? So pay attention to what you might or might not see. Keep your head on the swivel and look around. You're triaging, you're sizing this thing up at this point, making sure you know what's going on. So with injuries, you have to be prepared mentally too. Keep in mind, you might see some graphic stuff. You have to be prepared to witness this, to see these things. So prepare yourself mentally. What I would do if I were you is take our online MARCH course. MARCH is an acronym that we use for traumatic injuries. I highly recommend using that course. Oh, and by the way, it comes free when you buy the Pro Kit. At MyMedic, we're all about not just giving you the great tools, but the knowledge how to use those great tools. That's how we roll here at MyMedic. So whether you're treating a vehicle accident or anything else, you're gonna be prepared with your Pro Kit and the training that comes free with it. All right, guys, check out the next video.